Hi guys, it's me, Dana, and this is my collection of sunscreens, and that's my cat. Say hi to Agatha. I'm gonna be decluttering all of this and talking you through the journey. So I hope you are ready. Let's dig in. All right, guys, got my cat, my crackling candle, and we've got a lot of sunscreen to get through. So I'm going to try to get through it as quickly as possible. So I'm not going to talk through every single one, but I am going to tell you this is going to be my throwaway pile, and then one of these is going to be to keep, and one of these is going to be to gift to friends. I'm not keeping this as clear choice. Somebody recommended it, but I don't think it's like truly checked by the FDA, so I'm not going to bother with it. And these are all of the nude sticks. There's, I think, one other. If you've watched my most recent video, or maybe not recent at this point, none of these shades work for me. I don't think anyone who could benefit from them, so unfortunately they are going to go probably in the trash. All right, this is the Alpha H. This stuff was the most terrible sunscreen in the world. I don't need anyone to be subjected to that. This Skin Aqua, I believe, is expired, but we'll have to double check, so I will check on that. This Shiseido is expired. It's almost out though, so that's good. I'm just going to pick up a handful of ones that I just don't like. So we have this Pacifica, this Hello Sunday matte one, very uncomfortable to wear. The Lumini mineral one, not comfortable. Also the Fab Skin mineral. If it's a mineral non-tinted, I usually don't like it, and if it's expired, then I'm definitely throwing it out. A few that I'm going to keep. This is going to be coming up in a video soon. This is the Unseen sunscreen from Supergoop and Trader Joe's. Definitely love both of those. Keeping them. Keeping these two. Supergoop. Yeah, Supergoop Daily Dose and the Fab, both tinted mineral. Love, love, love. This is the Soul Science. I am going to donate this to a friend. It doesn't work for me, but it doesn't mean it can't work for others. Same with these two. This is the tinted Neutrogena, and then the mineral, no, what is it called? Good Molecules. It's untinted. It doesn't have a terrible tint. I just don't use it that much, so not going to be the best for me. The Kula, I despise that with a passion. We have this Suntegrity. I love this stuff. I featured it last year, but it is expired, and I've used up a lot of it, so that's good. When does this expire? Oh, yep. Glow Screen expired. This is also pretty much out from Hello Sunday, the everyday one, but also expired. Unfortunately, I have a few of the ultraviolet ones, and I believe they are all expired. This one's expired. This one expires in March. I may give it to a friend and just tell her to use it ASAP. The Glow Screen, this is the smaller one. This one is expired. I'm going to give this to a friend, the Bioma. It doesn't work for me, but it doesn't mean that it can't work for her. Same with Kot's Flawless Complexion. I really love that one. It's just way too moisturizing. Like, my skin doesn't need that. I've got a few from Europe. This one I love. I love this spray. I didn't use as much of it as I need from Vichy, but it is expired. And same with this Aven. It's a tinted one. I just never got a lot of use out of it, and it expired a long time ago. Expired Shiseido, expired La Roche-Posay. This one is great if you want that glowy, hydrated look. A lot for me. I did use quite a bit, but it is only for the driest of dry days. Unfortunately, both of my dermatology ones with cat hairs on them have expired, so those will be going in the trash. Another one that I love from Vichy, I don't think it has a date on it, but I've had it for a while, and this is another one that I love for the summertime, but it's going to be in the expired column. This is the Sunny Days from Bondi Sands. I'm going to be keeping that. I love that. I have the two new sunscreens, or not new, this is old, Super Screen, and then the Triple Prep, this is new from Supergoop. I'm going to be doing a review on those. They're brand new. I'm going to be keeping them. Let's talk about some that have expired. Native, this was like one of the first sunscreens I did on my channel. That's very expired. Unfortunately, I never got to review this dermalogical one. It's also expired. And same with this one from Hello Sunday, the one that makes you glow. Never got around to using it. This is terrible. All right, some more expired ones. Black Girl Sunday Hybrid. Not my favorite, so it works out. This Biore also expired. I really wanted to try this. I'm going to be passing along the Skinnies brand. I have these, but I just don't get a lot of use out of them, and I feel like my friends, especially with kids, may. I'm also going to pass along this Color Science matte one. I think I have a friend who will like that. Same with the Dr. Loretta. I am keeping one of them. Where is it? Okay, I'm keeping the antioxidant screen one. This is the more matte one, and I'm going to give my friend the Universal Glow one. So those are not expired. Mad About Skin, definitely not expired. Love that, keeping it. I'm going to pass this one on. This is the Inky List Polyglutamic one. It's very glowy, just not great for my skin. Same with the Iris and Romeo. I don't believe that's expired. Nope. So I'll pass that along. I'm going to keep the Collagen Glow from Naked Sundays. This is a travel one. Really good for me to have as a travel sunscreen. Love this stuff. This is Tan Luxe, the Super Glow. I add it to like moisturizer or whatever if I don't want to do a lot. So I'm definitely keeping that. Same with Dune. I'm keeping this one. This is a very good, not super white casty mineral sunscreen. Let's see. I've got some La Roche-Posay. This is the American Anthelios. I'm going to keep that. I still love it, even though it has a little bit of a cast on me. This is the mineral tinted one. I'm going to keep that as well. The oil control one, the smell kind of irritates my skin, so I'm going to give that away. But the UV Immune one does not, so I'm going to keep that. You guys, I bought another. Oh my god, I'm crazy. I know. This is the Ilia See Beyond. Keeping it. It's brand new. I am crazy. Please don't remind me. Also keeping these three. We have the Kosas, then we have the Hero, and then the Bubble Plus one. So those three will stay with me. This is the Ryman P20. I need to review this. This is supposed to be like a very strong mineral is it mineral? No. I believe it's chemical. But it's supposed to last like 10 hours. So I'm going to keep that and review it. Obviously keeping my Glossier. I don't know if that's obvious. This is my 3rd or 4th bottle. Brand new. I love this Traceless Mineral SPF from Beauty Pie. So I'm keeping that as well. I am keeping my Lip Tinted. This is my 2nd one. Love it. I should probably use it up soon though, because it does expire in the first few months of this year. Keeping this. This doesn't expire for a while. The MD Solar Sciences Tinted Mineral Cream. Oh my goodness. The One Skin. I'm going to keep this only because I think I need to test it again. The tint of it is atrocious, but I want to test it again, so I'm going to keep it. Also, it was like 60 bucks. The Fenty one has expired, so I'm going to throw that out. The St. Jane I am keeping. It doesn't expire for a little bit. And I looked at some of the expiration dates on this, so it would go a little faster. This Kinship, this is the Self Reflect Sport. Not the same as their first Self Reflect. Not good at all. I love this from Tower 28 Sunny Days, but it has expired. Both of them have. So those go in the trash. This is the Shiseido Oil-Free Hyaluronic Acid. I believe this one has also expired. Yep. So that goes with that. This is the Dune Mug Guard. This one is clear. It's really nice. It gives me a little bit too much glow, so I'm going to give that to a friend. Okay, this one is from, it's a K-Beauty brand, and it doesn't expire yet. It's not great for me though, so I'm going to pass it along, and somebody else will get some use out of it. Same with our Indie Lee one. This is the Daily SPF Primer. I have a friend I think would love that. Okay, the Dear Claire's I'm also going to pass along. That's not expired, but I just don't get a lot of use out of it. The Paula's Choice one is almost out, so this one also has expired, but it's pretty much done. So I'm just going to give that one to the trash can. All right, Daily Go-To Sunscreen from Purito. This is not expired. Not for me though. I think a friend will get more use out of it. And then this Kose Sun Cut. This one has expired. Two sunscreens that I don't love and have also expired that are going to go in the trash. This is the Babo Sheer Daily Sheer Fluid Mineral Sunscreen, non-tinted. And then the Mario Badescu, which was a joke of a sunscreen. So, goodbye. We have this Round Around green tea. I did not like this at all. I haven't really reviewed it, but I just didn't like it at all. It's also expired. And then we have this ultraviolet lean screen. It's expiring in a few months. I didn't love it. It's so thick. It's matte, but it's thick. It's very odd. It was not my favorite, so those are gonna say goodbye. All right, our 2 Wonder screens. Now, I think what I'm gonna do with these is let's see, when do they expire? This is odd. I guess they expire later in 25. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give these to a friend because they are very nice. I just don't get a lot of use out of them because I found the Bubble and what other sunscreen? I found the Bubble, I found the Fab Beauty, and the Supergoop tinted ones that work better for me. This MD Solar Sciences, I believe I've reviewed this. This is the Daily Antioxidant one. It's also expired. We have a few European brand ones. So this is the Aven, and this is expired. It was, wait, maybe it's not expired. Okay, I'm gonna give this to a friend. And then the Uriage, this one does not expire for a little bit, so I'm also gonna give that to a friend. And then Ann Moeller, this one has expired, so. This is the Lancaster Sun Perfect. This is a very nice sunscreen, but I'm pretty sure this has expired, so won't be able to pass that along. I'm gonna keep this as the Hero Cosmetics. This is the Super Light Sunscreen Force Shield, the green one. It's a nice travel mini size. I really liked this Holika. I'm sorry that I never reviewed it, but it has expired. This is the COTS one. It's gonna expire in like 2 months, so I'm just going to say goodbye. I don't wanna give somebody a sunscreen that's about to expire. That doesn't really help them. Same with this Cetaphil. This is the Sheer Mineral Face, expired. And then we have the small Supergoop matte screen. I love this stuff, so I'm gonna keep that. It's not expired. Also, this Misha waterproof. I am finally going to be reviewing my whole K-Beauty haul. So I'm gonna add this to that list, and I love that, I already know. Oh, the Chanel UV Essential. When does this expire? Does it say? It does not say. I don't know. I'm gonna put that in the I don't know column. I've got a few sticks. I don't love the ACH one as much, but I'm thinking that a friend may love it more. And then I'm gonna keep the Isntree hyaluronic acid airy stick one because it's nice and matte for me. This is the, what's it called? Fresiderm. This is the tinted one, and I loved the non-tinted one, but I don't like this one as much, but I think a friend may enjoy it more. So make sure it's closed and we'll give it to a friend. This is the Algenist. Does it say when it expires? That's my only thing. When it doesn't say, I have a hard time giving it to someone because I don't know really how old it is. So we'll put that in the pile with the Chanel, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with. All right, another La Roche-Posay. This is the Anthelios Anti-Shine. I don't really understand what this one is about, but it doesn't expire, so I'm gonna give it to a friend. This is the Murad. Unfortunately, I used quite a bit of it, but it has expired. So this will go in the trash. This is the Thank You Farmer Sun Project Shimmer Sun Essence. This is not that shimmery, and it does not expire for a while. So I'm gonna keep that and add it to my K-Beauty one. Youth Lab Daily Sun Gel. This one has expired, so goodbye. Another Dermalogica one that has expired, goodbye. This Nivea Sun one has also expired, goodbye. The Lightsaver, of course I'm keeping that. You know, that was one of my favorites from 2023. The Origins Ginseng SPF 40. This is a beautiful sunscreen. Now, I just don't know when it expires, but I think I'm gonna give it to a friend because I know one that would love that. Dermalogica, again, expired. This SkinCeuticals has not expired, so I will give that to a friend. Oh, this Caudalie one, I didn't love. I didn't like it. But I'm gonna try to see if a friend likes it more. Getting to the bottom of the barrel here. This is the Bioderma. This one has expired. Wow, that didn't last long. I feel like I bought it not that long ago. And then the Hello Sunday, the Mineral Eye Cream one. This one is terrible. I just feel like it just is not, I don't know. It was not something I wanted to put under my eyes. Let's just say that. And then our last one is the Origins Dr. Andrew Weil. Mega Defense SPF 45. Does not say when it expires, but I'm pretty sure it's Benzo. So that's where we stand. We have a few unknowns, a few that I'm gonna add to my K-Beauty pile. This is my pile that I'm keeping. Oh my God, how exciting is that? Like, I am so excited to have just, it's like 30 sunscreens still, but it's very manageable for me. I'm gonna be donating all of these to friends, and I'm not gonna show you the pile that I'm getting rid of, but suffice it to say, it's a lot. Anyway, whew, I worked up a sweat, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video, and if you did, let me know in the comments below. Give it a big ol' like, and I shall see you in another video. Bye!